It's about cars. Repair a car once. You pay to repair a car. You're now screwed. This is what keeps people broke. They pay to repair a car. That means they've invested money in the car. The first reaction is, okay, I paid big money to have my car repaired. There's no cheap car repairs. They're all big money repairs. I'm going to drive it till I get my money back. You're going to get your money back. And while you're driving it to try to get your money back, something else breaks on the car. Now you got a second repair. Big money repair. Now you're saying, man, I really got to get my money back. You see how this is like a casino? You got to get your money back. That's what they say in the casino. I got to get my money back. I got to keep gambling. Well, this is what a car is like. You pay for a repair, you're married to the car. And you finally get sick of it. All the money you put in the car, you say, I'm getting out of this car. I'm gonna trade it in. I'm gonna sell it. And then you find out you're not going to get anything for the car. All that money you put in the car just goes up in smoke. The car lot's not going to give you anything for the money. For the car. You try to sell a car on your own, you're trying to sell it to a bunch of deadbeats with no credit. And what they do is they try to beat you down as bad as the car lot. Now, you make that first repair on the car, you are on the slippery slope to losing money. That's why I lease. I never have to do that. I haven't had a repair in 15 years that I paid for. The biggest objection to leasing is I don't get enough mileage. I drive a lot. Well, you know what? Quit driving a lot. If we're all shoved into electric vehicles, I guarantee you, you're not going to be driving a lot. So get used to it. Put your places you're going to go, put them together and do it at once. Instead of every time something pops in your head, oh, I got to go there. I got to go there. No, cut down your mileage so you can lease a car and get rid of repairs.